Hello viewers, welcome. Have a good day. I hope you are already seen some my previous videos. Actually, we are seeing the Python basic program. So, who are all newly watching this video, you can just go with my playlist and you can able to see the old videos with all basic programs. Okay. So far we have completed 40 exercise. Now we are going to start 41st. Okay, let's go for the class. Write a Python program to improve the two string variable of same value pointed same memory location. So we are going to pass two variable with same name. We need to check whether the location and the memories and all same. We'll go for program. str1 equal to python str2 equal to python. So print slash n memory location of str1 equal to comma x id id str1 print double quotes slash n memory location of str2 equal to axis id and string 2. Print. So you can see the both strings have the same location. So next we will go for next program. Write Python program to create byte array from the list. To write the program byte array, print nums equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 44 comma 34 comma 99. That's it. And I'm giving that values equal to byte array. We are calling the byte array classes and names. For x in value print x and print. So we will run the program now. So this is the byte array from the list. So what are the integer we are given? It's shorted with a array. Okay, so now we will go with next program. Write a Python program to determine the large and smallest integer longs and floats. Okay, so we need to determine which is longest and smallest integer and long and float. So we'll go with program. Import syst print float values information comma sys dot float underscore info. So next line is print slash n integer values information and sys dot int underscore info, and print maximum size one integer sys dot max size. So we completed the program. Now we will run the program. See, in system it's showing the float value information. What are the things having the point decimal, it's showing like that, and the integer value system dot info byte and dig is 30, and you can see the maximum size of integer is, this is the maximum size of integer. These are the default values which is in the system. Actually that's why we input the system and we are trying to find that. Okay, now we will go for next program. Write a program to sum of all counts in collections. So we need to write a program. Second, import collections. Okay, and num equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are numbers. Now we are going to print sum of collection dot counter num dot values. Okay, so we need to check the count. That is our requirement. Okay, now we will run the program. One second. Actually we given C counter C is small, that's why that error. Now we will run the program. It's showing 7. See, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 number is there, that's why. I'm increasing one more to check the result. 8. So the program is running successful. It's counting the collection numbers, how many numbers is there in the collections. Okay, so today class is over. I hope everybody was understood what we are seeing today. Hopefully do a hands-on exercise. It's very important to do the hands-on exercise, because if you strong in basic, definitely you can write a program in advanced level also. So I request you everyone to be write and practice in daily basis at least 10 to 15 minutes. That will be the good. If you struggle anything or you want any uh, suggestion, or you need any help, just write in the comment. We will pressure to help on you. And also if you want anything to add it in this video, just comment on that, so that we can add more to you, because we intention is to give good hands-on and knowledge transfer to all the people. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. We'll see you later. Bye.